Hi guys, hope you're well. This is Mr. Richard. Well, in this video, we are going to talk about MIE exam prep 201. I mean M for those of you who are doing intermediate. Sorry for that, intermediate and senior phase. Okay, all right. So, guys. I know that tomorrow, most of you are writing. Yes, you are writing tomorrow. You may be having an anxiety that, hey, I should do more question papers because tomorrow I am writing. What I will advise you to do is review where you are lacking today. Since it's 7 November today, and tomorrow you're writing. Yes, specifically, this video is for those who are doing MIE 201M in the University of South Africa, which is UNISA. Okay, so this is the thing, guys. Here, you should note what the exam will be about. The exam will be about patterns and equations and weight problems. These are the areas that you need to work on. The areas that have a lot of marks is these two. It's patterns and equations. So that means you should put more effort here, right? I'm not saying that you shouldn't put effort on weight problems. You should, but look at the areas that have most marks and perfect them. Make sure that you get full marks on those areas so that you are able to finish the exam in time. Remember, finish your exam in time so that you are able to get good marks in MIE exam prep 201M. You don't have to do 100 question paper to pass MAE 201M. What you need is to have basics. Remember, when it comes to the patterns, the pattern that will be examinable, specifically, it's a linear pattern. They will ask you about a linear pattern, a linear pattern, where you should know the general term, which is Tn a plus n minus 1d. So this is the general term that you are going to use. Let's say maybe they gave you a 3, 5, 7. The common difference here in this case will be 5 minus 3 will be 2 and 7 minus 5 will be 2. So our difference will be 2. Our A, it's 3, difference is 2. So when they ask you to find a general term or the rule of an equation, you should use this formula. So you could say where there is A, you should put 3 there. Where there is D, you should put 2. Therefore, this will be 3. 2 times n is 2n, and 2 times negative 1, it's negative 2. Then this will be 2n. 3 minus 2, this will be 2n plus 1. Right. So that's how you can work. You can use this formula for finding the rule or the algebraic rule. They love that. They will say find the general term or the algebraic rule. You can use that. And when they say find T100, please, it's a position. It means you'll put 100 there where there is n. Right? Or when they say find whatever that is equal to, no, that thing will be a last term, and then you'll place it here and solve for n. So those are the things that you should take a look at when you're given a pattern. Another thing, check whether that pattern it's linear, or is it quadratic, or is it geometric. It's very important to check. So mostly in MIE, they always give you linear pattern, right? Then equations. Also check, they're dealing with linear equation, meaning that we're dealing with equation that we have linear equation and quadratic. A linear equation may have one solution. Let's take this, for instance. We have x plus 4 is equals to 7. Take 4 to the other side. This will become 7 minus 4, which will be equal to 3. That's a linear. It has one solution. But when they give you a quadratic, they may give you something like this: x squared plus 6x plus 9 is equals to 0. You will have to find the x values there, where it will be x plus 3, then you equate to 0, x is equals to negative 3, or x is equals to negative 3, right? Yes. So this is a quadratic equation. It has two solutions. Sometimes they will give you something that doesn't add. They could say x squared plus 6x plus 1 equated to 0. So where you are going to use a quadratic formula, negative x plus b squared minus 4ac divided by 2a, where this is a and this is b, this is 6, this is c, sorry for that. Then where there is b, you are going to put -6, put -6. Where there is a, you put 1. Where there is c, you put 1. Then you use a quadratic formula, because the factors of 1 doesn't satisfy the middle term. So that's what you should be very aware of. Or you could use completing the square, right? If you don't understand the completing the square, I have posted a video in last year that you can go through my YouTube channel. There are videos that I did post about completing the square, right? So word problems, be very careful. When it comes to word problems, they can use the word sum. When they say sum, you add. Difference, you subtract. Quotient, you divide, right? You are going to divide. So they can use those terms to tricky you, right? Another thing, let me not forget distance and speed, especially your distances and your distances and speed. That's very important, guys. You can also take a look, use this triangle. DST. So when they want you to calculate the distance, close here, you're going to close here. So it's going to be, in other words, it's going to be D times S times, yes, D is equals to S times T. Then when they're looking for a speed, you close here. So it's going to be speed, which is equals to distance all over time. When they are saying find time, you're going to say distance all over speed. So that's the case. So when in terms of time, always convert your time to seconds, right? You'll always convert your time to seconds. So be very careful. Be very, very careful when it comes to the examination. So this is what you should know when you want to pass these exams, right, guys? If I have left something, just go there and review in your book, and have a proper sleep today, and so that tomorrow you are fresh. Remember, mathematics requires a fresh mind. A fresh mind produces great results. Unlike when you are tired and you're filled with anxiety. So try to relax today, sleep, have proper full 8 hours so that you have your examination. Don't try to sleep late, try to cross night. That won't help you with anything, because you can cross night but still fail mathematics. What you should do is studying smart and relax your mind. I wish you all the best. I know it's not easy, but through proper preparation prevents poor performance. If you're new to this video, why are you waiting for? Don't forget to subscribe and like. And remember, let's grow this community. In the upcoming future, I'll post more videos of MAE 201M. I wish you all the best.